Okay. Hi, I'm Lexi. And I'm Caitlin. We know we'll have a lot of fun Skyping with you. We are really excited. Thanks, and here's our first question. Hi, I'm Makaya, and I'm going to ask the first question. Do you border an ocean?
Answerers, do we border an ocean?
Yes.
Yes, we do.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. My first question asker, where are you? Come on up. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name's Addie, and do you live on the east side of the Mississippi River?
How? Mapper. No. I don't think we do. Hang on. Sorry.
All right, my map folks, listen carefully so that you can make sure. Let's wait for their answer.
Hey, hang on one second. Okay.
Do we live east of the Mississippi River? So look at the map, and will somebody do we live east of the Mississippi River?
Let's get an official answer. Okay.
No, we do not live east of the Mississippi River.
They do not live east of the Mississippi River. All right, question askers, talk to the map folks. Figure out what your next question will be. Answerers, we're ready for your next question.
Border another country. I don't know what sides
Are you guys south of Colorado?
Are we south of Colorado? Let's take a look at the map.
Not really.
Are we south of Colorado? Follow it over.
A little. Sorta. No. Well, no, not the top. No.
Tricky question.
I mean,
Right. Then let's go ahead and answer.
No.
Interesting. Good question, guys. Are you ready for us? All right, Asker, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Do you border another country?
We border.
Okay. So how about you guys go ask our you guys should be able to know. Okay. Mapper. You guys really shouldn't need to look at a map. He said something like, do we border another country? No. Okay. Can someone go up there and answer?
All right. They do not border another country. So what can you rule out? Look at your maps and decide what you can rule out if they do not border another country.
Texas.
Okay? And then work with the askers and figure out what your next question should be.
Are you ready for the next question?
We are ready for your next question.
Does your state have a coastline?
Here.
What do you think? What did they ask us before? They asked us if we bordered an ocean. So if we border an ocean, do we have a coastline? What is the coast? What's the definition of a coast? Okay, so let's see if they really want that to be their next question. I think they might rethink their question.
Hi, I'm Delaney. Do you live in the northwest part of the U.S.?
Do we live in the northwest part of the U.S.?
No.
Answer them.
No.
Did you guys hear?
so they're narrowing it down. Askers, have you figured out what you want to ask next?
Yes.
All right, who's asking our next question? Awesome. Hang on just a second. All right, Mrs. Allen, are you ready for our next question? All right, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Matthew, and do you border Colorado?
All right, take a look at what we know. Okay. My math folks, are you keeping track of what we've learned? Okay. Let's find out.
Wait, Austin, do you know the answer? Austin, your answer? Yeah. Hi, my name is Austin, and we do not border Colorado.
All right. Recorders, jot that on the board. Well, we talk to the map people and the question askers, and you guys come up with your next question. What can you rule out now that you know this new information? Are you able to start narrowing it down?
Yeah.
It can only be
Okay.
We can't do South Colorado. Do you border the Mississippi River?
What do you know about the Mississippi River?
We know that they can be on this side.
Okay.
This is Colorado.
Yes, we are. You guys need to figure out your next question.
My name is Trace. Do you guys live?
Hang on. Oh, they're figuring it out.
Hi, my name is Trace. Do you guys live in the
Ask
Appalachian Mountains?
the rest of your team. And if they agree that that's a good question, I think that'd be a great question.
that?
Do you guys live in the Appalachian Mountains?
Where are the rest of the question askers? Get together. Tucker has an idea for a question. See what you think of it. All right, we're ready.
They asked.
Oh, what'd they ask?
In Appalachian Mountains.
Do we live what?
In the
Where the are the Appalachian Mountains in our state? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good question. Good question. That should help you narrow it down. Good job. All right, the pressure's on. Who could guess the other's location first? You sure?
No, we will.
Are you ready for our next question?
Yep.
Hi, I'm Tucker. Do you border the Mississippi River?
Good job, Missy.
Can you repeat that for us, please?
Do you guys border the Mississippi River?
Right, so who would like to answer that question? And just say,
All right. Listen.
Yes, yes, we do border the Appalachian River.
They border you mean the Mississippi River?
Yes, we do border the
They do border the Mississippi. Oh, now you've got it narrowed down.
Missouri, Iowa, Arkansas. So they can't be Nebraska. I don't know, but they're can only do it can't be Iowa. It can't be Mississippi. It can just be four.
All right, let my question askers and my map folks get it figured out. All right. I think we have another question, guys.
Do you guys live in Pennsylvania? Pennsylvania.
Oh, are you ready to guess already?
Yeah.
Mrs. Allen?
Yes.
Usually we wait to guess to where the exact state till we're pretty sure we know. Do they feel like they're ready to guess yet?
Yeah. This would probably be just maybe just try it once.
Okay.
And then if they don't get it, then maybe they can ask them more.
Okay.
Give them more.
Fair enough. Answers. Do we live in Pennsylvania?
No.
I don't know. Think about what side of the Mississippi River they live on.
They said we border an ocean.
I'm sorry?
They said if we bordered an ocean, if they asked Pennsylvania. I know, but they can border.
There you have it. All right. Do my question askers have a good question?
Yes.
Have you agreed on one?
Yes.
All right, Mrs. Allen's class, we're good to go. Are you ready?
Hi, my name
Dex,
is Addie.
wait till they're quiet. You guys ready?
Ready to ask the question now?
We are.
Hi, my name's Addie, and I was wondering if your state began with a vowel.
What?
Does your state name begin with a vowel? Does your state name begin with a vowel?
No.
No. State name does not begin with a vowel. How close are you?
2 states.
Down to 2? Ooh. Nice.
Texas.
All right. Do you know how to figure it out? All right. All right, we're ready.
Do you guys live in the upper part of the Appalachian Mountains?
Do we live in the upper part of the Appalachian Mountains? Let's take a look at where the Appalachian Mountains run. Okay? Appalachian Mountains begin here and come all the way down. Do we live in the upper part of the Appalachian Mountains?
No. No.
All right. Let us know when you're ready for our next question.
No, it's Tucker.
Alright, they're about to ask us our next question. Everybody get quiet.
Hi.
My name is Austin.
Hi.
My name's Austin.
Hi. Do you border the Gulf of Mexico?
Are you guys ready for the next question?
Hang on, we're asking you a question. Ask it loudly.
Are you on the Gulf of Mexico?
Do we line the Gulf of Mexico? Look at
No, they do not. Okay, do we know?
Yes.
Okay,
Does your name
okay.
begin with
All right.
Just make sure. What's the statement? Just begin with it. Yeah, that will say it.
If you got it narrowed down, are you ready to guess or not?
What is it?
All right. Austin, we're ready for your question. You guys are pros at this.
Does your state have the Ohio River through it?
Does our state have the Ohio River running through it? Can you answer that, or do you need to look at the map?
No, don't. The Ohio River's over. No.
Ethan?
Oh, what? I don't think so.
Eddie?
We don't. Ohio.
All right, go ahead and answer.
Ohio.
Yes. You're right.
No.
No, we do not.
You don't?
No, we don't.
All right. I think,
We're ready.
Mrs. Allen, I think we're ready to guess.
Okay.
My askers, are you going to ask all together?
Yes.
All right, ready? Here we go. Ask it.
Do you live in Missouri?
Good job. Well done. Awesome.
You can erase all.
Awesome. Good job, guys. Yeah. Excellent reasoning. Excellent. Erase your maps. Make sure your book's clear. Shh, let's listen. Let's see if they can narrow down where we are. All right. Do you have a question?
Hang on just a second. I think that they might have a guess.
Okay. Ooh, they're trying to decide.
Do you guys live in Virginia?
Woo! Good job, guys. Awesome.
Yeah.
Can you guys share a few facts about Missouri with us so we can learn a little about you?
Sure.
First of all, tell us what city you're in so we can put you on our mystery Skype map.
Okay. Do you guys want to tell us the city that we're in? Well, we live in Springfield, Missouri, which is the third largest city in Missouri.
All right.
I'm gonna have to be totally quiet while they share.
All right, go ahead.
Alright, I think we are ready to share. We're gonna hear a couple things about Virginia. Sorry about that.
We're okay. Go ahead, Sarah.
Virginia is home to 8 presidents. We're known as the mother of presidents. We were one of the original 13 colonies.
Cool. Anybody else have a good fact about Virginia to share? Go ahead. You can.
We have a bunch of amusement parks,
Like what? Give examples.
like Busch Gardens, Water Coaster USA, and some other stuff.
Yeah? Anybody else have a good fact about Virginia? What about some of our historic landmarks? Yep, go ahead. Yeah.
Come on, Tucker. Come on, Tucker. Go, this is Tucker.
Where did we visit earlier this year?
We went on a field trip earlier to Jamestown.
The original.
And what's special about Jamestown?
The colonists landed in Jamestown.
Good job. What year? Do you remember?
1607.
High five. Woo! All right. We're ready to hear a little bit about Missouri.
Hi, my name's Kenton, and our state was like part of the Louisiana Purchase. Sorry.
Oh, did we just learn about the Louisiana Purchase?
Yes.
In our study of the Midwest?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Wait,
Ooh, who remembers what year the Louisiana Purchase happened?
18.
Josh?
03?
Yeah. Good job. Awesome. All right, tell us another fact.
The city we're in is Springfield, and that's the headquarters for Bass Pros. Bass Pro, isn't it?
Oh, like Bass Pro Shop? Cool. So that's where where they're headquartered. Bass Pro Shop started. Their headquarters are in Springfield. All right, we have time for one more because we have an assembly at 1:15.
Oh, okay. You can just ask your question or share. Sorry.
Okay. Do we have one thing we want to share or something we want to ask about Missouri? What about their school or their climate or what do we want to know? Go ahead, Alexa.
What is the climate there like?
Let's see what it's like right now.
Yeah, like right now.
Temperature.
The climate right now, we just had an ice storm yesterday.
Oh my goodness. Is that normal for where you live?
No. We just had to skip a day at school.
Wow.
No fair.
Awesome. All right, well, we thank you guys. What? Okay. We thank you guys for Skyping with us. We hope we get to connect with you again soon. You guys were fantastic. Give each other a hand.